Everyone draws Fern with that same flat purple hair and call it done. I wanted to see if I could make her look like she's actually sitting there, mixing color pencils with real paints, no digital shortcuts. Hey fellas, welcome back. If you're new here, I draw anime characters with traditional art supplies today, Frieren's Beyond Journeys End, and I'm doing Fern. If you have seen the show, you know she got that resting done with your nonsense face, and honestly, that's what made me want to draw her. I always start with the same way, skin first, and for this one I went with color pencils. It gave a softer, more blended base before I bring the paints for everything else. Set the tone for the whole piece. Once the skin's locked in, I switch over to the paints for the hair. This is where I get to really have fun. Layering the purple, building up shadows under the bangs, picking out those highlights, strands one at a time. Then the clothes still in paint, I kept her outfit soft and simple so it doesn't fight with the hairs for the attention. Backgrounds always last for me. Painted too, it's basically the frame. I wanted to support her, not to compete with her.
Slowly descend into madness. Let it spread like a virus. Be a friend with the violence. Help, there's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself.
Well, she's done, and tell me in the comment section what you think about it, and comment down your favorite part of this video and who should I draw next. And that's it for today. You can see, and I'll see you in the next video.